As Hurricane Erin makes its way north through the Atlantic, dangerous surf and rip current conditions impacting communities up and down the East Coast. Here in Wrightsville Beach, the message is clear. Even though Erin won't make landfall, the danger is real, and stay out of the water. Water rescues up and down the East Coast as Hurricane Erin churns up powerful waves and life-threatening rip currents.
It's been very dangerous out here. Very dangerous yesterday. We had between 60 and 70 rescues.
Popular beaches in North Carolina, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, New Jersey, and New York City issuing no swimming orders until the storm passes.
We're not going to go in pretty deep just because the waves do seem pretty big today.
We got an alert, so we're being safe, and we're watching the surfers. They're having a great time. I'm glad those aren't my children because that would terrify me.
The hurricane exploded in strength over the weekend, becoming a Category 5 in one of the fastest rapid intensification bursts on record in the Atlantic. Its category has since been downgraded, but the threat has not.
The rips are pretty bad. They just get worse and worse as the waves keep pulling and moving sand around.
I'm just going to kind of skim the water, so I'm not too scared.
Erin's impact won't be felt through direct landfall, but through strong winds and large pounding surf, storm surge, coastal flooding, beach erosion, and dangerous currents. Expected to last for several days. Once Erin passes, all eyes then turn back to the tropics where Erin came from, where there are several systems that could potentially turn into the next named storm this hurricane season.
A giant inflatable Pikachu welcomed competitors and spectators to the 2025 Pokemon World Championships in Anaheim, California.
It's a culmination of the 2025 season. We're playing for the title of Pokemon World Championship across Pokemon Scarlet, Pokemon Violet video games, the Pokemon Trading Card game, Pokemon Go, and Pokemon Unite. We've got over 2,500 competitors, and that's not to mention the expected 20,000 spectators that we'll have on hand.
And while players must earn their way into the championships, competitive play leading up to it is open to anyone.
All of our events are open to everyone, with the exception of, you have to qualify for the World Championships, of course, but everything's open to everyone. We want it to be as inviting as humanly possible for everybody and see that there's an entry point for everyone in our brand.
Please find your seats for round number 3.
In addition to the competition, other events taking place include panels, autograph sessions, and plenty of photo opportunities. While pictures with Eevee, Pikachu, and other characters were a big draw, the center of attention is definitely the competition.